Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can verify your Skrill account. So let's start our video. So once you open the application, if you're not verified, they say your account is restricted. All you need to do is to upload your ID, take a photo of yourself, and then the restriction will be lifted and your account will be verified. So let's start it. First thing is to upload now. You need to upload the documents, upload your ID. You will need to take a photo of your ID and your face. We will encrypt the data and store it. So all you need to do is to tap on Get Started. Here you need to tap on I agree, then give permission to the application. And then it will bring you here. It's a start verification. Use a valid government issue documents. Find a well light up surface where you can sit, and there should be light as well when you're taking your selfie. So if you're ready, then tap on start. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to capture the photo side of your ID. So all you need to do is to scan it and take a picture. So guys, once you take the picture from the front side of the document and the back side, now you need to do is to verify your face. All you need to do is to tap on start. You need to read these instructions and put your face right in the middle of the circle which will appear on your screen. So I will take a selfie of my face and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you take your selfie, they say we received your ID documents. We will review it within 24 hours and send you a confirmation email on the registered email that you already registered your account with, and you will get it. Now just tap on continue and wait for the email. When they send you an email, maybe it is approved, or if not, then you can try again. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.